Autodesk has done a lot of work when it comes to interaction between their different products. One of the interactions we're going to take a look at today is the flow between Inventor and AutoCAD. Now, a lot of you think that to get from Inventor to AutoCAD, you need to have a full AutoCAD. So it's quite expensive. With all that functionality of 3D plus, you can put your 3D apps on, or your add-on modules on. What Autodesk has done is they've actually created a workflow where you can utilize AutoCAD LT, yes, AutoCAD LT, the only 2D version, to be able to document and detail your design after the 3D model has been created. So today I'm just going to show you how quick and easy that is. So from Inventor, once you've created your parts or your assembly, you'll go through and you'll create a 2D drawing. Now you'll notice when you go create a 2D drawing, you've got two options. You've got your standard DWG and your standard IDW. The IDW is your native Inventor 2D drawing, and your DWG is your standard AutoCAD file format, which has been going on for years and years and years. So I'm going to use the standard .dwg and create this. Once our DWG has been opened, we can now go put our base view of our assembly in. I'm going to put a front view, side view, and then just an isometric view. Let's drag it up over here. And this is all we really need. This is all we really want for whoever is going to be detailing this to detail. So because it's a DWG, I'm going to save it. And let's call it just the CNC lathe. Now you'll notice over here it's an Inventor drawing file, Inventor DWG. That doesn't really matter when it comes to AutoCAD because it's got the .dwg file format. We're able to open up in AutoCAD. Now this is traditionally where everyone thinks that AutoCAD Lite won't be able to open this drawing. Only AutoCAD Full will be able to open these kind of drawings. But you are able to open up in AutoCAD. So if I open up my AutoCAD, you can see there AutoCAD LT 2019. I'm going to go off and I'm going to open up that DWG I've just created. So you'll see there preview of the drawing. Okay, it's read only, so I just need to go and close this so that I can actually go and do some edits so that we can see it reflect back in Inventor. Close this. Go back to my AutoCAD. And let's go open up that CNC lathe. And there we go. No issues, no fuss. Very, very good drawing comes through. All my lines. And what I'm able to do with this now is actually go and dimension it. So if I go and dimension this component over here, we have no issues. So it's taking out the actual true dimensions from the 3D model that we placed in over there. Put some text in. Maybe go make it a bit bigger. Ooh, there we go. And you can go and edit it like you would any AutoCAD drawing over there. Now here's where the beauty comes in. You're now able, well these details that you've actually added to this drawing will also be able to be seen in your Inventor. So I'm just going to go save this, close it down, go back to my Inventor, and open up that drawing that I have just modified. There we go. So you can see that I've created something in Inventor. I have saved it as a DWG. I'm able to open it up natively in AutoCAD, no importing, nothing, just open up explicitly in AutoCAD LT. Make some changes. I've added some dimensions and I've added some text, saved it, opened it back up in Inventor, and there you can see all the changes that I've made in AutoCAD LT are correctly reflected back in Inventor. So this is a nice opportunity for you so that when you are looking at a whole range of software, you don't have to go and buy Inventor for every single person. There are solutions if someone just has a detailing job to do, for instance, and they're not going to be doing any design work. So leave the design to the designers. And if you're getting someone in as part-time work, maybe a student or someone who just needs to do detailing and get all the detailing or documentation out, they can just use normal AutoCAD. And everything that you can do in AutoCAD LT, printing, plotting, dimensioning, text, will all reflect correctly. And if any changes obviously occur in your 3D model, it will then travel down the workflow to reflect in your 2D in AutoCAD LT as well. Thank you very much for watching.